All right, hello everybody. I want to talk a bit about the Sukuna mill. Okay. So I was looking at the wiki because I was kind of confused as to how the wheel works. Because it's kind of weird, right? And I saw this, and I saw approximate. That's kind of weird, right? So I did some digging, and it turns out that the wheel is actually a bit more convoluted than this. So the idea on the wiki is that you can either do damage or you wait 60 seconds, right? This is technically true. You can wait 60 seconds and one wheel spin will happen. But dealing damage, what does that mean? Now, first off, I want to disprove whatever this wiki says because it is not accurate. So let's go for this. Fourth spin, 300 damage. Can we do 300 damage and still not have access to the fourth spin, which would be Maharaka's World Slash? Let's go ahead and do it. So what I'm going to do is I already reset the leaderboard. I'm going to die, and then I'm going to turn my cooldowns off, and I'm just going to go ham on some random NPC, and you're going to see. I got off. Alright, so I'm going to summon Maharaka, and you're going to see. He does not have World Slash. Let's see how long it takes for us to get World Slash. Alright, for me. World Slash. Alright, that spin. Is that a World Slash? No, it was the third spin, actually. Let's go ahead and do some more damage, speed things up a little bit. Alright, now we have the World Slash. So how does this work? Because very clearly, we did 300 damage, right? And it was at the second spin. I wasn't even at the third spin, I was at the second spin. So how does this work? So I did a bit of testing. You'll see on the screen, I did 10 damage, and I waited to see how long it would take. It actually ended up taking 55 seconds instead of 60 seconds, which proves two things. First off, time and damage are correlated somehow in terms of the amount of value you need to hit a wheel spin. So let's say the value that you need to hit a wheel spin is X, then damage plus time would be equal to X, but how much, right? So in this case, with the testing that I did, it was 10 damage plus 55 seconds equals X. Now, what is that? I thought about it for a little bit. If 10 seconds shaves off 5 seconds off of the 60-second wheel timer, then we can assume that you need to do 120 damage to hit your first wheel spin. So what does this mean? First off, this means that every second, the game will count you as having done 2 damage for your wheel, right? And any damage you do after that goes towards that 120 damage, which, by the way, is the same amount as you need to kill someone and get a stock. So this makes sense. So you get your 120 damage, and boom, that's a wheel spin. So we finally understand how this works. I just wanted to put this out there. I thought it'd be very niche but interesting information. So it turns out that's how this works. That's why it's a combination of damage and time. It's kind of weird, but it's also interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's about it.
Okay, bye.